What's up, everybody? My name is Eric B.L.A.N. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm just over here getting dirty. We're ready to go ahead and use tapcons. If you guys ever use tapcons, a lot of people ask me questions. How does it work? How do you do it? So we're going to find out right now, next.
I'm going to show you how great I am.
5, 4,
Here on site.
3, 2, 1.
What's up, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you can see, I got the 24-foot ladder up at the very top, and then I've got the 16-foot ladder at the bottom with this nice little shelf on here so I can put my weed trimmer and a couple of little rakes and dustpans and things like that. So overall, fantastic. It gets it up off the ground, gets my other ladder inside for the winter time, and now I have them both right there. I love you guys. Until next time.
I'm going to show you how great I am.
5, 4,